Hello everyone, so we are at 13th Die and Mould and I am standing at Hall 2 at the stall of Mac Pro. So there are various vertices into this particular stall, but the company I would like to talk about is India. With me is Mr. Mithun. So we would like to understand particularly about what is India, and Make on India is what your theme which you're representing here. So Mr. Mithun, if you can elaborate on this.
Sure. First of all, thank you, Sharvari, for giving this opportunity to deliver a few words, the machine makers. So, to begin with, we are actually a software solution providers, and what we do is we are providing the software platform from inquiry to dispatch as shown here. And this software solution is basically for tool makers, component manufacturers, and also for component assemblies. So we are actually supporting the Indian MSMEs to come out with in one platform, come out all the makers in one platform. So from what our experience from Moldex, Bangalore, as well as from Mumbai, Tool and Die, Tagma, we got an opportunity to have a market analysis to understand what exactly market requires, right? So from there, we are actually customizing our software solution just to suit the market requirements, right? So that was the two biggest advantage that we got from the last two events from Bangalore and Mumbai. So what now we are doing is we focus on two key factors. One is the tool cost analysis, and the other is a Gantt chart or the project management. We are trying to automate the whole project management process for tool making, for component manufacture under one platform, and put it make the job much more easy for all the project managers and project engineers too. That is one portion what we're doing, and we are actually trying to connect the machine automatically into a Gantt chart in our system. So you no need to key in manually to get the things done. So that is one portion. And the second one, what we are doing is a tool cost analysis, because we understood the real pain of the industry is something like once you finish making your mold or tools, you lost the track of the cost, actual cost, how much you spend. So since we automate the timeline, in the same way we convert this timeline into cost, and then we give our customer, okay, you plan your tool for example 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs, but what is your actual cost that incurred, actual operation cost, which involves every tiny thing. So we capture all the tiny costs and give our clients say that, okay, this is your actual cost. So these are the two areas where we are focusing, and we should thank Tagma as well as Moldex India to understand what market actually requires.
Exactly, and now everybody is talking about automation. Everybody is talking about reducing the time, reducing the cost.
Correct.
That's how we can improvise, and that's how we can excel in our jobs.
Exactly.
What we can doing. Also, what we can see here is inquiry to dispatch, right? Powered by India is a concept which you have brought.
Yes.
So if you have to elaborate on what exactly you mean by that, that would be a great opportunity to explore.
That's a great question. Thanks for asking that. Actually, I should cover that first. So what happens is our software start from inquiry, that means RFQ. If there's any client who want to make molds or tools or any component, even manufacturing, they'll approach a supplier and ask the details. So we call it as request for quote, right? RFQ. So start from there. Our platform serves all the processes until dispatch of the component manufacturer or dispatch of the mold. Depends on what supplier wants. So it's a one-stop solution for the whole industry. So we are not focusing only on one or two elements. It's a very broad scale software solutions that we are providing. So apart from that, we have a lot of other functionalities, around 124 processes which we cover, but it depends what exactly our clients wants. Does the tool maker requires tool room only, or does the manufacturer requires which portion? So we will support accordingly to that, because we are the one who is customizing the software according to what the client requirement is. So we have the flexibility to do that. And since you mentioned about powered by India, Macro is one of the company that is using our platform, and that is the reason why we are powered by India. That name has come out. So maybe
And the name itself, India, is a very innovative to shape and craft the new India, is what you can say, by implying this automation and time savings and much more improvements and great time to see
Correct.
in the Die and Mould sector with the help of India, I would
Yes.
say. Thank you so much, Mithun,
Thank
for
you.
this wonderful information. I hope people would, look at this video and will
Get inspired.
reach out India
Yeah.
to make their manufacturing processes more easier.
Correct.
So thank you so much for
Yes.
spending your
That's why
time
we
with us.
align the tagline "Make on India."
Right. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
time.